How to remove SOS on iPhone. So there are several ways on how to turn this off. First and easiest thing you can try is to turn on your airplane mode and turn it off afterwards. This will make your iPhone search for signal from scratch, and then the SOS icon should be gone. Next method is also simple. Just force restart your device. To do this, press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down button, and then hold on the power button until your iPhone restarts. Once it opens again, go to Settings, tap on Mobile Data, turn on Cellular Data off and on again. Another thing to check is to make sure that your physical SIM card is not damaged and is inserted properly. Last, go to Settings, tap on General, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then click on Reset, and choose the Reset Network Settings. Once the network is reset, this will make your iPhone search for signal from scratch. So that is how to remove SOS on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.